Hey there, beginner bakers. Welcome to my cozy kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 simple and delicious winter pies that are perfect for beginners. Winter baking is all about bringing warmth and joy to your friends and family, and these pies are sure to do just that. First up, let's dive into a classic pumpkin pie. This pie screams winter with its rich, creamy filling and warm spices. You'll need some pumpkin puree, sugar, eggs, and a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. For the crust, you can use a store-bought one or make your own from scratch, totally up to you. Mix the filling ingredients together, pour them into the crust, and bake until it's set and slightly wobbly in the center. Easy peasy. Next, we have the apple crumble pie. This pie is like a warm hug on a cold day. You'll need some tart apples, sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg for the filling. The star of the show here is the crumble topping, made with flour, butter, and brown sugar. Simply slice the apples, toss them with the sugar and spices, and fill your pie crust. Then sprinkle the crumble topping generously over the apples and bake until golden and bubbly. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. Finally, let's make a festive cranberry pecan pie. This pie is a beautiful combination of tart cranberries and sweet, crunchy pecans. Start with a simple cranberry filling made from fresh cranberries, sugar, and a touch of orange zest. Pour this vibrant filling into your pie crust, then top it with a layer of pecans mixed with brown sugar and a little melted butter. Bake until the filling is set and the pecans are toasty. This pie not only tastes fantastic, but also looks stunning on any holiday table. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make your pie baking experience smooth and successful. First, always measure your ingredients accurately. Baking is a science, after all. Use a pie dish that distributes heat evenly, and don't forget to preheat your oven. For an extra special touch, try garnishing your pies with whipped cream, a dusting of powdered sugar, or even a scoop of ice cream. Yum! To recap, we've made a cozy pumpkin pie, a comforting apple crumble pie, and a festive cranberry pecan pie. These recipes are simple, beginner-friendly, and absolutely delicious. I hope you'll give them a try and share your baking adventures with me on social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty baking inspiration. Happy baking, everyone!